Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Asnith and this is day 5 of Vlogmas. Today I got a Shein package, so I'm gonna open it and do a little try on. I have been watching the tracking on this package since I ordered it, which is ridiculous because I know it takes like 2 weeks pretty much, but I was so excited. I'm so happy it's finally here. So let's just get into it. So, got lots of stuff in here. Let's start. We'll start right on top. Oh, smells funny. It's weird. Okay, so the first thing that I got was this sweater. It's got little frillies on the end, and you'll see it whenever I actually try it on to wear it. But I really like the sleeves, like the design on them. I thought it was super cute and it'd be a really good cozy sweater to wear in Alabama in a couple weeks for Christmas, so yeah. The next sweater that I got was this mushroom sweater. I think it is so stinking cute. Like, look at the mushrooms on it. And then the back's just green, so I'm really excited about this. Super cute. So I got these leggings that kind of like go into a V in the front. I did order these in my last Shein haul, or my last Shein order. So in this one I ordered 2 more pairs because I like them so much. They're so comfortable and just stretchy and soft. So yeah, got 2 more pairs of these. These are just some little crop tops that I got to go with the sweater. And I got them in 3 different colors. They are like ribbed if you look at it, but they're super stretchy, so I'm really excited to try these out. Obviously they're all wrinkled from being in the package, but like, look how stretchy that is, and it's so soft. So I got it in white, this like brown, like burnt orange color, and then black. I guess I got a green one too. You can't really, there you go, now you can see it. So I didn't realize I got a green one, but that's super cool. All right, so next I got a mom life sweater. Look how cute that is. Last time I ordered from Shein, I got Azrael a kid life sweater, and it's got, the girl has like mouse ears on. So I got this so that we could match and look super cute together. And it's gonna be so, it feels so soft. So I think it's gonna be super comfy to just relax. So this one I actually got for my daughter. And I think it is so cute. Dad-daughter squad, hashtag unbreakable bond. How stinking cute. This is so soft too. I'm so excited. So if you ever get stuff like this and you don't know, make sure you wash it inside out so that this stuff doesn't come off like immediately. But yeah, I'm so excited for her to try that out. Well, I guess that was it for the clothes. I thought I got more than that, but look at how this comes. It's actually a really smart idea. Alright, so the last thing I ordered was this palette. I wanted to try out a Shein palette because I've seen other people using them and they seem to work pretty well, so I wanted to try it out. So this is the inside of the palette. It looks really pretty. I'm excited to play with it. That gold on the very top. Oh, I just put my finger in it. But yeah, so this is what that's looking like. I'm excited to try this out and see the quality of it. It was only $13, so it'll be cool to see like how it performs. I don't know why there's like a spot on that one, but it doesn't look like a fingerprint, so I don't think anyone touched it. Maybe it was just when they were like pressing it in the pan something happened. I don't know. Might just avoid that shade. So this is what it looks like. Super cute. It'll be interesting to try it out. I'll definitely do a video, like a standalone video for it. But yeah, it does have a little plastic cover that has the names of the shades on it too. Packaging's cute. It's like all glittery. Alrighty, so that's the end of the little Shein haul. I'm gonna go ahead and do my makeup really quick. I have like obviously my base makeup done, but I haven't done my eye makeup yet because I wanted to play with that Novel palette. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and I'll see you in just a second. Hey guys, so I'm getting ready to cook dinner right now. I'm not really getting ready to cook dinner, I'm marinating the chicken wings so that in a couple hours when I cook dinner they're ready. For Azriel's chicken wings, I am using the Lowry's Hawaiian because it's a little bit sweeter. And then for Chris and myself, I'm using this Mad Mango wing sauce, so I think it'd be good. It says wings and thighs sauce, when mango and habanero collide, it says drizzle over street tacos, marinate fish for a kick, add to chicken or burgers. We're gonna try this today. Chris and I have not had this one, but I have had the habanero mango wings from a place here in town, so I want to try it and see if it's pretty good here. So we got Azriel's right here. The bowls I think have watermarks on them from the dishwasher, but they are clean. What do you think? Does it look good? Mm-hmm. Are you excited? Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I did it with the lid on, so don't be flinging them out everywhere. Mm-hmm. Hey, pretty boy. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alrighty guys, I'm gonna go ahead and end this vlog here. I look like a greasy mess because I just got done doing laundry and I'm sweating so bad. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog. Be sure to subscribe and I'll see you in the next one.